Hello, so how are you today? So guys, today I'm gonna tell about self-education. Like as I have grown up, I had heard this a lot of time. Like do your 10th, do your 12th, get a good degree, then after that your life will be set. But as I do more think about this, I just used to think that as the word is growing faster in everything, in technology, in skills, in everything, then why we just do the same thing which our parents, our grandparents had done at their age? Okay, I'm not saying the schools are bad, they are good, they are not bad, but still with the changing world, with the changing technology, with the changing AI, as the AI is coming over and taking over everything, I don't think so that only school will help us to be set, like to be make us to reach our goals. So there should be one skill which everyone should know and we must learn, that is ability to learn everything faster and easily. Like if you can learn anything, then that will be greater. I am not saying the syllabus learning, the things which you learn in your school, but apart from that things, the apart from the school syllabus, there are a lot of skills which you can learn, and if you can learn everything, that will be much better for you. I see. Okay, so school and colleges are not bad. I'm not saying no, they are not bad, but just think of it. After completing your 12th, after completing your college, no one is coming at you to giving this to, like they will come and give you the syllabus to learn anything. So you have to figure things out by yourself. Like if you have to learn video editing, you have to find resource by yourself. If you want to learn communication, then you have to practice it daily. If you have to learn business, then you should know, you have to take the experience, you should know the foundation of that, and that will just not come by learning in the classroom. I know school teaches us very well, they make a foundation for us, they are good at starting, but for making to get at your dream is the thing which the school can't help fully. Like they can help at a point, but still they can't help fully to get to your dreams. So these skills, that teaching, educating yourself by yourself, educating you by yourself is much better than getting syllabus and learning, just learning and writing in just in a paper. So that should not be the approach from ourselves, and we have to figure the things out to to get reach to our dreams. So when we figured out what we have to learn, then next problem comes, which is we just consume, not apply. Like if you have to learn anything, if you have to learn anything, you will just watch the videos, you will buy the course, you will see any post, you will save any post, you will go at Instagram, YouTube, or any social media platform to learn the things. And like it is easy to watch 10 video, it is easy to watch watching any related topic for a whole week, but when it comes applying it, we like gets very, we don't do that majorly. Like for example, if we started learning video editing, if I started learning video editing, then uh, I will watch videos on YouTube. I will watch hundreds of videos. I will watch a full course on video editing. But if I am not applying that after just watching that, that is useless. So instead of this, what I can do, that is 20% watching the video and 80% applying it. Like I have also done this, that I had watched a lot of videos, lot of course related to any topic, whether it's editing or communication, it's anything, and I didn't just applied it. So from the next time, what I will do, that is 20% watching the video and 80% applying it. And like if I started video editing, I will just watch the video, then I will try to edit. If I am lacking somewhere, I will just go into the video, then I will also try to edit the video. Then this loop will help you to improve your the particular skill which you are learning. Probably my favorite thing, which is don't stop learning, don't stop your curiosity. Like most of we people just think that what we are learning will give us money, marks, career, like any other benefits. But you know what, learning something which you are curious is much more interesting. Like it will probably not will give you money, but it will make you an interesting person. So like if you want to learn photography, if you want to learn chess, if you want to learn about business, if you want to learn about anything, it can be astronomy too. So if you want to learn that, learn it, cause that will probably not make you a thousands of dollar per day, but it will make you more interesting person. It will not kill your curiosity, it will make you to learn more new things. It will like just don't becoming the person who just learn things for money, but becoming a person who just want to become interesting person and just learning new things to discover the world, this for discovering the world. So discovering a new skill, discovering a new curiosity will ultimately can help you somewhere. But maybe, and it will definitely make you an interesting person. Maybe it can't give you a thousand of dollar as I said before. And just be curious and follow your curiosity. With the ending, I will say that school teaches us things, that is good, but things we should learn by ourselves too. Like this skill, which is learning, like learning by yourself, is much more important than knowing everything. It is important. It is not important to know everything, but it is important to know how to learn everything. Then you can just uh, be with the word. Like as the word is changing, then the skills are changing, the technologies are changing, the jobs are changing, then we all have to change with the word. So as if you will go with the flow, then you will grow faster rather than just opposing the flow. Like if you are a physics student, then you probably know that if you will go against the air, you will be slow, rather than like if you will go with the flow, then you will be faster. So I think that video is for today, and I am also trying to learn these skills which I had told you. I will also trying. No, no, I am also trying this. Okay, so I am also trying everything, not everything, but the things which I am curious about. I am I'm trying to learn it. So if you are also doing the same, just you can like and subscribe the video. Like and subscribe the video. You can subscribe and like the video. Okay, so I think that is for today. See you in the next video. Sayonara.